Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we are back with another video. As you guys can tell by the title, we are going to be doing another monthly empties. This bag got full way too quick, so if you guys are interested to see my empties for the month of November, then just keep on watching. Okay, so this is the bag right here. Nice little cute holographic gift bag. I just repurposed it to hold all my empties, and as you can see, it's like overflowing. So let's just get started. Okay, so the first product I have is from Dove. This is the dry spray. It's used to help restore skin to its natural tone. This is the clear tone pink rosa like scent. It's basically a antiperspirant deodorant. It's supposed to last for 48 hours. This scent is super strong. I currently have this scent, which is the rose petal scent. It has like a peachy pink cap. I really prefer this scent over this one. This one was just way too strong for me. But it's okay. Just wouldn't repurchase it. So again, this is what it looks like. So that's my first empty. Next, I have the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Shampoo with silk protein and neem oil. This is for thick curly hair. It says anti-frizz, moisture, and shine. It's sulfate free and color safe. As you can see, there's nothing left. I mean, there's that, but it's basically empty. And this leaves my hair smelling and feeling super, super soft. What are you purchase? Yes, but I have quite a few shampoos and conditioner that I'm currently using that I want to get through. So this was really good. I would definitely repurchase this product. Next, I have the Run Pure Tea Treatment Invigorating Body Wash. It has zero sulfates, parabens, dyes, gluten, phthalates, propylene, glycol. So it's free of all that stuff. This is what it looks like. I get this product from Walmart for like less than $6. It has 24 fluid ounces. And this one, I was using the rose water one, but I wanted to try other like scents. And this one is very minty. Like you can smell it in the shower when you use it. You can feel it tingling on your body when you're rubbing it in and cleaning yourself. I freaking love this one. I currently have another one in my bathroom that I'm already like halfway through. So yeah, I think I'm going to try another scent after that one though. So would I repurchase? Yes, I highly recommend if you haven't tried this. It's super, super good. The next empty that I have is a candle from Ashland. This is the Peppermint Lane one. Now, when you look at it from here, it looks like it's still full, but as you can see, it's all the way at the bottom. It's empty. I'm not sure why candle burns so weirdly, but it's empty. I ran out of all my favorite like candles, the ones that actually smell good. I hate Christmas, fall, like Thanksgiving scented stuff. This one wasn't bad because it's peppermint. I actually like peppermint candy, so I didn't mind this one as much, but anything that's like pumpkin spice or anything like that, I don't like. So yeah, this was a pretty decent candle. I think I got this last year and I ran through it like last month. It lasted quite a while since it's such a large candle. And the price is $5.99. And it is a 17-ounce candle. So if you're interested in a peppermint candle, I highly recommend this one. The next empty is from Aveeno. This is their ultra calming foaming cleanser. It gently cleanses irritated sensitive skin without over drying it. It is fragrance free. This is what it looks like. It is like a pump and it does come out in like a foam type of way. And let me tell you, I use this in the shower. After I like take my makeup off with a wipe, I like to go into the shower, exfoliate and cleanse, and this stuff definitely like left my face feeling like it left me feeling like super calm. So I really do like this. Would I repurchase? Yes, but there are other cleansers out there that I want to try. So yeah, I highly recommend if you're looking for something good and if you have sensitive skin, because this didn't really irritate or break me out. So yeah. Next, I have the Equate Beauty Astringent. It has salicylic acid acne medication in it. It's deep cleaning and it's for like sensitive skin. In other words, it's kind of like a toner for me. So it's completely gone. I am currently using the Neutrogena one. It says clear pore, oil eliminating astringent. This is the one I'm going through now, but this one is like the Walmart generic brand of the clean and clear one, and I actually prefer this one more than the Neutrogena one. The scent to the Equate one is way better than the one from Neutrogena, but I am going to use it because I have it, but I am probably going to repurchase this after I go through that one because I really did like this and the way it left my skin feeling. So yeah, also highly recommend if you're looking for a good astringent. And of course, I have the Equate Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. Would my Empties be an Empties video without one of these in it? Probably not. So yeah, I love these things. They're super affordable. They're like less than $5 for one pack and probably less than $10 for a double or triple pack in Walmart. And they do the job. Like, the hell? Why not? I love these things. If you haven't tried them, I think you should try them. They also have like green and pink ones for like sensitive skin and I think a cucumber one. So check them out. Check them out. Okay, so the next empty was a face mask. This is from Garnier. This is a Skin Renewed Dark Spot Treatment Mask. It's a 10-minute tissue mask. It deeply hydrates, boosts radiance, and smooths and revitalizes the skin. It's vitamin C in it. This is what it looks like. Is it my favorite mask? No, but it was very nice to use. So there's that. You could try it and then comment down below your thoughts if you want. But it was an okay mask. Nothing, you know, to lose your mind over. Then I have a handful of lip products to go through. I just decluttered my lipsticks and these were empty, so let me run through these real quick. I have the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade Lax or LAX. This is a really pretty berry color. I'm not even going to swatch it, but because some of these stained my hand from when I was doing that, as you can see, but it's a really pretty maroon burgundy fall color, so love that. This is the second one that I've ran through. Then I have this Airway Studio Wonder Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Vintage. This is very similar to the ColourPop one. It's just a bit more on the Brook Red side, but it's still a deep fall color, super pretty. And if you're looking for a more affordable version of the ColourPop one, even though ColourPop is already affordable, this one is just $8 from Airway Studio. Then I have the BH Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Lust. Again, very similar to these. These formulas are super good. The Airway Studio one is a bit sticky. The ColourPop one is a bit super drying, but I like it. I don't mind it. I know others don't. And then this one is probably my favorite formula out of these three. It's very lightweight. It doesn't feel like it's on your lips, and it does not dry your lips out like the ColourPop one does. And it's not sticky at all. Another BH Cosmetics liquid lipstick. I believe this is in the shade Serena, if I'm not mistaken. The sticker fell off, so I'm not sure, but it's a really pretty nude shade. Then I have the Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in the shade Slay Tan. I freaking love this brown. It's so pretty. When I first got it, it was very off-putting to me. It looked like a really nasty color. But as I was doing my makeup, I played around with it some more and it quickly became a favorite, and it is all gone now. So I do like it. I highly recommend, and that is like one of my favorite liquid lipstick formulas. Very lightweight, very easy to work with as well. And then last but not least, for liquid lipsticks, I have the Ofra Long Lasting liquid lipstick from Ipsy. This was a collaboration with Ipsy. I think the shade is called Unzipped, and it is a very pretty mauvey pinky shade. I used that all up, and those are all the lippies for the month of November. Then I have this BTZ Beyond the Zone, is what that stands for. It's Turn Up the Heat. It's a flat iron protection, helps shield hair from heat damage, and this is what it looks like. I got this from Sally's for like less than 15 bucks, I want to say. I got it a while ago. This lasts forever. It leaves your hair looking super shiny. It doesn't like make it look oily or greasy. And it does a nice job at protecting your hair from heat damage. I love it. Whatever you purchase, yes, but there are other things I want to try out there. So, yes, it depends. If I don't see anything I like, I would repurchase this. So, yeah, if you're looking for a good heat protector for your hair, I highly recommend this one. The next thing I have is from Dove again. This is the Advanced Care Go Fresh Cool Essentials 48-Hour Antiperspirant Deodorant. And the scent for this one is... it has a cucumber on it, so I'm going to assume it's a cucumber scented deodorant. Yeah, I'm gonna say cucumber, but it just smells really fresh and it goes on really smooth and it works for me, but I prefer a spray deodorant now for some reason. So that is what I've been using. Spray deodorants are bomb and much easier to apply for me. So yeah, I went through this pretty quickly though, and it does smell good. So if you're interested in like a good smelling deodorant, check this one out. Then I have the Papa Recipe Eggplant Clearing Cleansing Foam. This is a little sample. I received this in a Ipsy, and I really do like this. The smell is a bit weird, but it did cleanse my face like a dream. Would I purchase the full size? Yes, but I currently have other cleansers that I want to try before I purchase this one and go through currently as well. So would I recommend? Yeah, but like I said, there's other stuff I want to try and go through before I get the full size of this one. Okay, I only have 5 products left. So the next product is a bit disgusting looking. This is a Real Techniques beauty sponge. These things are super soft when you wet them. They're super great. I love this little slant for when you want to clean up your contour. You just go like that. And it has a pointed side, so if you want to, I mean, it's not that pointed anymore, but if you wanted to get into the eye area, you could do that. And they're super affordable. I want to say they're less than $5 for like one, and you could get packs at like TJ Maxx or Marshalls of 4 for like less than $15. So super good deal. Is it my favorite sponge? No, you guys know my favorite sponge is from Shop Miss A, and it's only, I think, $1 or like $1.88. The one from Shop Miss A, some of the like the change, like the 88 cents or the 55 cents goes to a charity. So I love that sponge. It's an amazing sponge, affordable, and you're donating. So yeah, but this one is super good too. If you want to just grab something local at the drugstore, this is a good one and super affordable. Then I have the Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Mask. It's a pore refining face mask. It detoxifies and brightens the skin, and I'm definitely purchasing the full size of this. I freaking love this mask. It's like one of my favorite masks that I've ever used. Again, I got this in a Ipsy to try because, you know, Ipsy basically sends you samples, but I love this thing and I'm definitely buying the full size after I run through a few of the masks that I currently have. Then I have the Broadway Colors concealer. It's a cream. It says it's a camouflaging concealer. I have the shade Ivory. I hate this thing. I used it up because I purchased it with my own money and I just wanted to get it on my collection. This is what it looks like. I got it from Dollar General. I want to say it's less than $5, and this concealer is super thick. I don't know, maybe I could try to squeeze some out. Yeah, look. Oh, that just looks so gross. Like, why is it that thick? Okay, yeah, it's practically empty, but never ever going to repurchase this again. To be honest, I don't recommend. If you want to try it at your own risk, but it sucks and there's no coverage at all. So there's that. Okay, so we're down to the last 2 products and they're both concealers. So the next empty that I have is from Makeup Revolution. This is the Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C8. And this is what the packaging looks like. I love this concealer. I definitely want to repurchase the supersized one, which is like kind of like a bit longer. And I also want to try the hydrating concealer one. They came out with a version of this one, but hydrating. So I definitely want to get that one. And I also want to try the hydrating foundation. But this concealer is super great. It has a nice coverage. It blends out like a dream. And it's super affordable. I want to say it's like $7, maybe $8. I know it's less than 10. So highly recommend if you haven't tried it. And the packaging is like rose gold. My favorite type of freaking color. I love this concealer. And the last concealer is from NYX. This is the Full Coverage Concealer. It's the Jar Concealer in the shade Beige. And I am completely done with this concealer. I've had this concealer in my collection for at least 1.5 to 2 years, and I'm so happy I am done with it. I did use it under my eyes. My eyes do crease when I use it under my eyes, so I mainly use this on my eyelids as eyeshadow primer. Now that worked like a dream for eyeshadow primer. It blended out easy. I also used it to clean up. My eyebrows, and it worked for that as well. So if you haven't tried it, I highly recommend. Would I repurchase? Yes, why not? It's a good concealer and a good eyeshadow primer. So yeah, there's that. My bag is empty. I have nothing left. Those are all my empties for the month of November. So if you guys enjoyed watching that, then drop a thumbs up. If you have any questions about the products or anything, drop them down below in the comment section. Also check out my description bar for any additional information, more videos, discount codes, all that good stuff. If you have not hit the subscribe button, please hit it before you guys go. Also turn on your post notifications so you guys can stay updated or notified every time I upload. And on that note, I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you guys are, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!